Hello guys, in this video we will see what is game patch installation error in Battlefields and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step for understanding game patch installation error in Battlefield. The content this error occurs when the gameplay and DXGI app fails to successfully apply an update or patch to Battlefield's game files. It can manifest in various ways, such as a download progress bar getting stuck, an explicit installation failed error message, or the game refusing to launch after an attempted update, often pointing to corrupted or incomplete game files. Essentially, the new patch data isn't correctly integrated into the existing game directory, preventing the game from running the updated version or sometimes any version at all, necessitating a fix before gameplay can resume.
Step: identifying common causes of the installation failure. Contain several factors frequently contribute to patch installation errors in Battlefield. Insufficient disk space is a primary culprit, as patches often require temporary space beyond their final install size for extraction and installation. Corrupted local game files, potentially from a previous crash or incomplete download, can prevent new data from integrating correctly. Network connectivity issues during the download process can result in incomplete or corrupted patch files being downloaded. Interference from antivirus software or firewalls incorrectly flagging game files as malicious can block the installation, and sometimes outdated graphics drivers or operating system components can create conflicts. Step: performing initial troubleshooting steps. Content: begin by restarting your PC and your internet router to clear any temporary glitches that might be impacting the download or installation process. A crucial next step is to use the Game Clean's built-in repair or verify game files function. Right-click Battlefields in the Up library repair. This tool scans your game installation for missing or corrupted files and replaces them with correct versions directly from the server. Ensure you have ample free disk space on your drive where Battlefields is installed, ideally at least of the times the patch size before attempting the patch again. Temporarily disable any icons and confirm your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking the app or Battlefields.
Step: we implementing advanced fixes for persistent errors. Content: if initial steps do not resolve the issue, consider clearing the app's cache. Close the app completely. Then navigate to Program Data Electronic Arts C. Services License and Users your username Data Local Electronic Arts C. App: replace your username with your actual username and delete the contents of any cache or download folders found for severely corrupted installations. A clean reinstallation might be necessary. Then install Battlefields. Manually delete any remaining game folders from its installation directory. Restart and then reinstall the game from scratch. Additionally, update your graphics drivers directly from the manufacturer's website. NVIDIA and Intel to the latest stable version as outdated drivers can sometimes conflict with game updates or lead to post-installation launch issues.
Step: preventive measures and seeking further support. Content: to minimize future installation errors. Regularly ensure your operating system and all hardware drivers are updated to their latest versions. Always maintain a comfortable amount of free disk space on your game drive to accommodate patches and temporary files. Configure your antivirus software to whitelist Battlefield and the app to prevent false positives that might interfere with downloads or installations. If all troubleshooting efforts are exhausted and the error persists, gather specific details of the error message, a list of all steps you've already taken, and your system specifications. Contact support directly through their official website for personalized assistance. They can often provide more specific solutions, access diagnostic logs, or offer workarounds for account-related or server-side issues.